Hi, this is Mike from Videos in Your Face, and we were in Vegas last weekend, and we found this. It's a 1966 Bronco minibike, 50cc. We got it for $165, and yeah, it's pretty cool. It's really old.
The guy was the original owner.
And the motor is seized, we think, the guy said. But he thinks that we could de-seize it. And we're missing this storage container door. And
everything else is pretty much there, right?
Except this mirror that's cracked.
But it's there.
Yeah, everything's there.
A cracked mirror. Bronco, 1966. Vintage. Super rare. He said it was a 1966, but there's really no information on it. Not a 66. It's got some nice rims, headlights, cool monkey bars, 8 bars for that engine. And everything is there. The door on this side is there. Seat is pretty thrashed. But it was from the original owner. He rode it when he was a kid. And he says the pink slip he has somewhere he's supposed to send to us, it says 1966. So when are you going to come across one of these? Pretty cool. Original tires. And there is the speedometer. It's got low miles. Does that say 181 miles? Huh. Pretty cool. Resto project. We'll get working on it. Made in Italy. Yeah, see what we'll do with it. Resto, piece it out, whatever.